Little storyteller.
Nibbles the hamster had very fluffy brown fur and bright, curious eyes. He lived in a cozy cage with soft wood shavings and a little blue wheel. Next door, in another cozy cage, lived Gus the gerbil. Gus had sandy-colored fur and a twitchy pink nose. Nibbles loved sunflower seeds more than anything, and sometimes he ran out. He wished he could tell Gus. One sunny afternoon, Nibbles had a clever idea. He found some thin, shiny wires he had nibbled off a toy and a crunchy sunflower seed. He started to build. His tiny paws worked very fast. He used the wires to connect his cage to Gus's cage. Then he used the sunflower seed like a little hammer to tap on one of the wires. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. It looked like a tiny drum. In his cage, Gus was nibbling on a piece of lettuce when he heard a tiny tapping sound. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. He looked around his cage with his bright eyes. He saw the shiny wire moving a little bit. He put his ear close to it. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. It went again. Gus wondered what it meant. Tap, tap, tap. That meant S. Tap, tap, tap. That meant S. Tap, tap, tap. That meant S. Pause. Tap, tap. Just one tap meant send. Tap, tap. Two taps meant seeds. SOS. Send seeds. Nibbles was sending a message. He didn't understand all the taps, but he saw Nibbles point to his empty food bowl and then tap twice quickly. Gus knew that meant Nibbles wanted seeds. Gus had lots of extra sunflower seeds. He gathered a big pile in his cheek pouches. Gus carefully carried the sunflower seeds to the edge of his cage, near the wire. He pushed them through the bars, one by one, until a small pile of yummy seeds was right next to Nibbles' cage. Nibbles was so happy. He nibbled on the delicious seeds and gave Gus a big thankful smile. From that day on, Nibbles and Gus used their special wire to talk to each other. Nibbles would tap when he needed something, and Gus would always try to help. They learned that even though they were different, being kind and helping each other was a lot of fun. And Nibbles learned that sharing makes everyone happy, especially when it involves yummy sunflower seeds.
Please subscribe. Thank you.